Sa bawat proyekto, hindi lang resulta ang mahalaga, pati na rin ang proseso. We proudly offer our design and build services, your one-stop solution for your dream home.
Mula sa pagbuo ng disenyo hanggang sa final plan, we ensure that every detail fits your needs and vision.
Today, ipapakita namin kung paano namin kayang gawing realidad ang dream project mo.
Dito sa I Feel New Realty Solution, we specialize in design and build services. Meaning, from concept hanggang sa mismong construction, we got you covered. Hindi mo na kailangang maghanap pa ng iba't ibang contractors at designer. Custom architectural design, quality construction, hassle-free process.
I am Gillian Denise Gonzon Herona.
I am Diane Leslie de la Cruz.
We are the intern of I Feel New Realty Solutions. Bakit nga ba I Feel New Realty Solutions? Simple lang, we bring visions to life with top-notch craftsmanship and competitive pricing. Hindi lang basta sa gawa, kundi pinag-iisipang disenyo at dekalidad na pagpapatayo para sa comfortable at functional spaces. Trusted and experienced team, budget-friendly solutions, on-time completion, walang aberya, walang hassle.
Gusto mo nang simulan ang dream project mo? Madali lang! Message us on our FB page, Prime Realty Hub, or visit our website at www.ifeelnew.com. Project kick-off, from design approval hanggang groundbreaking, kami nang bahala and a free consultation.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Your dream space is just one call away. Let I Feel New Realty Solutions design and build it for you.